All right, so I don't drink out of plastic water bottles. I just do it to lessen the amount of plastic that may come into my system. And then, so I use these glass bottles that are pretty cheap. And basically, it's just getting used to using the different top on it. But they're really good. I usually break one a year, which isn't too bad. But basically, what happens is when you start using them, since they're clear, you can start seeing uh, when it starts getting cloudy on the glass, right? Like on the container, and you probably wouldn't see that in a colored plastic container. So it makes me clean this a lot more often, and the way that I do it to make it easy is basically I just get some vinegar like this and spray it inside the bottle. Just get it kind of spread all over like that, and I don't put too much vinegar in there. And then I take salt and pour it in like so. And I just want like a slurry of salt and vinegar. And then I close the cap, give it a good shake, and it should stick to the sides real good. So see how the salt sticks to the sides all over? So basically I just do this for like a night, and I just leave it, and then periodically come up to it and shake it. And yeah, I don't know. It's probably really clean right now even, so if I was just to rinse this out, I'll just do it just for the heck of it. Yeah, so it does look cleaner in there, but it's kind of hard to tell because whenever you get it wet, that's when the cloudiness goes away. But it's a really cool, easy way to clean the inside. It does make the cloudiness go away.